Hello everyone. First, be sure your Telegram Messenger is update. And now open it. On the top, tap on three line. Tap on settings. Tap on chat settings. Now scroll down to find auto night mode. Tap here to turn on this option. Again, tap on auto night mode for more settings. In this page, as you see, the adaptive option is on, and if you click on schedule, as you see, you can set a time for this option or based on your local sunset and sunrise. Also, we have a preferred night time. You can choose any time you want for this option. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.